Hello and welcome back to our video series on NJ Transfer. In this segment, you will learn how to read and interpret a transfer program. If you haven't already done so, we recommend that before continuing on with this video, that you watch the Transfer Programs Part 1 video. As you may recall, in our last video, we had selected Mercer and Montclair and we were viewing the chemistry major. Now let's discuss how to read and interpret what all of this means. You will notice that the courses listed in the grid are broken into two groups. At the top, you have the four-year University General Education core requirements, and at the bottom, you have the major requirements. The number of credits required for each of the areas is listed in the left column. If you click on any of the General Education core requirement hyperlinks, you will also see a list of Mercer courses that will satisfy this particular area at Montclair. Under the Major Requirements section, you'll notice the courses listed are using the Mercer course ID. This means that Mercer offers a course that is equivalent to the Montclair course. If Mercer doesn't have an equivalent course, the Montclair course ID will be listed with an asterisk. You can click below, right here, for more information about courses that have asterisks. The four-year institution will often list additional information at the bottom of the grid that you should also pay careful attention to. For instance, in this case, Montclair has included a note on the maximum number of credits that can be transferred from a community college. Finally, don't forget you should always meet with your transfer counselor and consult both your college's curriculum requirements and the transfer programs page on NJ Transfer to be sure that the courses you choose will meet both the community college requirements and match the curriculum at the four-year school.